up, you guys? Back with another video. Ho ho ho. Hey ho ho. Okay, so you already know it's a special day. I'm making lasagna. We're in this kitchen. Y'all already know what it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not already, look at my latest video I posted by my little lemon basil gelato. I feel like I'm matching a little bit of the shirt a little bit right here. But anyways, we're in this kitchen. We're making lasagna. Let's get it. Let's go. Welcome to the kitchen. So, as you know, we're making lasagna. But first, you got your meat. You got your jar of sauce. There you go. You can make it homemade too, by the way. And then we got your ricotta cheese. You got your cheese, choice of seasonings and onions and 2 eggs. And then we got your lasagna sheets. These are homemade, by the way. And yeah, we're about to get started. So first we're gonna get our meat. So we got your ground turkey. I'm about to put this in the pan, but before that we get your grapeseed oil. Oil of any kind, but I use grapeseed oil. So we'll put a little grapeseed oil. As you can see, the pan is already hot. Swirl around, get it in there. And after that, we throw your ground turkey up in there. Whoa, look at that sizzle. Wow. Take it. As you're doing that, you want to incorporate my blends. I have Italian seasoning, I have garlic, herb, I have onion, herb from Mrs.Dash. We support Mrs.Dash, by the way. So we're going to put that in there. And we're going to turn this up a little bit. Then we're going to cook the meat. The meat shouldn't take long to cook because it's ground turkey or ground beef. But we use turkey because, you know, we're a turkey house family, you know. Sometimes we do eat beef, but, you know, turkey, you know. It's good. I mean, it's really good. So, that's still red. Have that cooking. And the next step we're going to be doing is making the ricotta cheese and make sure it's going to go up. So now we're about to add our onions to the pan. We're going to add some garlic. A little bit. And we're gonna let this sweat. You add garlic last because you don't want it to burn. Give that bitterness. Have you ever tasted charcoal? I guess nobody hasn't, but that's what it tastes like you burn it. So you gotta be careful, like when you're cooking garlic. Don't remember to cook it last. Don't cook it first. It looks so good. I minced these onions, so kind of so you won't really see like you know whole chunk of onions. So I just minced these, and you can see they're sweating. So now I add the meat back into. Have your lasagna sheet of noodles. I'm gonna open this real quick. This is fresh pasta. You can tell. Look at it. Fresh pasta is good because it doesn't take longer to cook. Once it's like it rises to a certain point, then you know it's done. So we already put oil and salt in it so it doesn't stick. So now we're gonna throw these in here. And allow them to cook for like a couple of seconds. They don't take long to cook, literally, because we had things boiling. little broken, but we can fix that. Would that do up the whole steak? I can fix that. We're gonna allow those to cook for a couple of seconds. So that's why we're gonna cover it. So once it boils over, that lets me know it's done. So as you can see, our ricotta, we already took it out the cup and put it into the bowl. And so I mixed it, make sure it's looking real smooth. Next, we're gonna add your crack of 2 eggs. Take your egg, and another way you can do it with one hand. Like that too. And then after that, you take your cheese. And you take some Italian seasoning. Just about that much. And then you mix it. It's going to be layered in with your lasagna. Mix that well. And then there you have it. For your cottage cheese that's already mixed with stuff. See how it looks? So while the meat is turned off, I'm going to put the sauce in there because it's already still warm. And we're going to use the oven jar just to add a little bit of sauce that's supposed to go at the bottom of the lasagna. So. Add a little bit, not much, just that much. And then spread around the bottom of the pan. Might need a little bit more. I'll put a little bit more. So just to get the bottom of the pan. So that should be enough. Just get the bottom of the pan. Coating. Next we're gonna add your layer of noodles. When I took the noodles out, I took them out the strainer, but I also put cold water so it can, I won't be messing up my gorgeous hands here. So we're gonna layer that in there. We're gonna cut part of it off, so it can just look like a nice, gorgeous, beautiful pieces of lasagna. Put that back in there. And take another piece. Cut some of this off. Add this down there, looking like a snack. Sorry, a meal, not a snack. And press it down there. Next, we're gonna add your ricotta cheese. We'll mix your made. I won't add that much because we're gonna still spread it out. So I'm gonna have that spread it. Red ricotta. Then we're going to sprinkle some of your cheese, mozzarella. I call lasagna for nothing. Cheese in here. Next, we're gonna add your meat sauce. And after that, we're gonna repeat the process. Same step. It's layering. It's all about layering. Some for the kids, some for the kids, some for family, some for family. You know, when you need something that's gonna last you about a couple of days. And we're gonna put it right there. So as you see, guys, we took it out the oven. This took about at least like 40 to 45 minutes. You see how I got that nice little crust piece right there. Look all good. This is parsley, by the way. This is parsley, by the way. That's sprinkled over the top. So now we're gonna cut it through. Oh man. Ooh, wow. A lot of cheese. Wow. You know what they say about cheese? I ain't gonna tell you what they say about cheese, what they say about cheese. Look at that cheese, though. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm ready to dig in, y'all. Ooh, let me get it from you. So, we gotta... Oh, man. You cannot tell me this looks so cheesy, yo. Wow. Oh, man. Yes. Wow. All right. Put the rest of the cheese on top. So now you already know what we do. We're going to eat. Got my fork ready to dive in. Let's get a taste. God is grace. Hallelujah. Praise him. Oh, man. Wow. This is really... Man, that food was so good. Thank you guys for watching me. I try to tell you this is simple, easy to make. It's not that hard. Look what it came out to be. Very good, very smooth, very cheesy, very creamy, and so be forward. Follow me on all my social medias in the description below. Like it, comment, and subscribe. Also, too, in my Cash App, please, you know, my college student out here trying to make it. My Cash App is Chef BDB. Chef BDB. CHEFBEANIEB. BDB. Thank you guys for watching again. Back with another video. And that's a wrap.